Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and enabling the function. First, make sure your Nothing Phone 2 is above 20% battery and remove any thick case. Metal or heavy cases block power transfer. Next, open Settings, go to Battery, find Reverse Wireless Charging and toggle it on. Set the auto stop threshold so the phone won't drain below a safe level. Once done, the phone is ready to share power. This prevents accidental full drainage and preserves battery health while you pair the device to charge. Now focus on positioning and the handshake. Place the Qi-compatible device on the rear center of your Nothing Phone 2. Aligning the coils is critical for stable transfer. Slight adjustments often help. Once positioned, watch the screen for the charging animation and the small battery icon that confirms power is flowing. Make sure you don't move the two devices during the initial handshake. Keeping the screen awake or interactive for a few seconds ensures the connection establishes correctly and avoids intermittent starts and stops. To finish, end the transfer from the notification shade or return to settings and toggle reverse charging off. This prevents unintended sharing. If charging is slow, make sure cases are removed, both surfaces are clean, and the devices are well aligned. Sometimes a small angle change increases current. If it still won't start, restart both devices and retry the handshake. Reboots clear temporary radio or sensor issues. One key troubleshooting tip. If charging stops unexpectedly, check the auto stop threshold and battery temperature, then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.